telling you that whenever you go online at that point of time, what do you exactly do with your computer?
Shall I push the start button?
Like, do you use online Facebook, online networking, banking, online shopping?
Yes, yep. Yeah, I do.
Okay. Basically, what happened, Mr. Delani, that whenever you go online, whenever you surf over the internet, like searching Yahoo, Google, Facebook, Gmail, Hotmail.com, whenever you go online networking, banking, online shopping, doing chatting with your friends, at that point of time, what happens, some unwanted drugs and files and malicious programs are automatically generated and then got downloaded in your computer without of your prior knowledge. We got the information from IRS that International Logging System makes your computer is going on high risk. So how old is the computer? You said that around 6 to 7 years old, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so is your computer turned on now?
Yep, it's on now, yep.
Alright, so just have a look on your screen. Can you see that start menu from the left corner?
Yep.
Of your screen?
Is that the start button?
Yep, start button. Can you see that?
Yep, I can see the start button.
Yeah, you need to click on it.
Click on the start button.
Yep, click on start button.
Okay, no problems. I'll push the start button.
And just let me know what you see on your screen.
Okay, I can see the screen. And do you want me to? Do I push the start button?
Yep. Click on start button and just let me know what you see.
Okay. Is that the start button?
Okay. And under the start button, can you see that? Just find out. It says my computer or computer, any of one.
Oh, is that the start button?
Yep.
Yeah, I can see the start button.
Okay. Click on start button.
Yeah, the start button.
And just find out my computer or computer, any of one.
Yeah, the start button.
Alright. So what do you see, my computer or computer?
I can see the start button.
You need to click on start button.
Yep, I'll click the start button. With the start button.
So, okay. So you
Will you see the start button?
do one thing, just have a look on your keyboard.
Yep. Am I looking?
Just look at that on your keyboard.
Yeah.
From the left corner, bottom of your keyboard, can you see that the key name, it says CTRL control key?
No. The start is that the start button on the left bottom corner? Start button.
No. On your left hand side.
Yeah, the start button.
Your keyboard, not
On the screen, the screen, the start button.
Not on the screen, not on the screen. Look at that on your keyboard.
But the start with the start button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll push the start button.
Just have a look on your keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
From the left corner, bottom of your keyboard, can you see that control key?
We're looking for the start button.
No. You don't need to looking for a start button. Just look at that on your keyboard.
On the start button.
No, on your keyboard. Okay.
There's no start button on the keyboard.
Just find out the key name says CTRL control key. Can you see that from the left corner?
What am I looking for? START, the start button.
On your keyboard.
On the screen.
On the screen. Click on start button.
Yep.
On the screen.
On the start button.
Click on that.
Yep.
Click on it.
On the start button. Yep.
Yep. And just find out the program. It says computer or computer.
On the start button.
Computer. Yep. Under the start button.
Yep.
Under the start button.
The start button.
Yep. Just find out my computer or computer. Okay.
Okay. Start button.
Mr. Delaney, so which internet connection are you using? It's Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome?
Start button?
No, I'm telling that which internet connection are you using?
Is that with the start? Is that with the start button?
No, I'm telling you, just listen to me, try to understand me then. I'm telling that which internet connection are you using in your computer, like it's your Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer.
Do I find that under the start button?
Mr. Delaney,
Yes. Start button?
I'm telling you that just open your Internet Explorer page, back page.
Is that under the start button?
No, it's not under the start button. You can see the icons in front of your screen. Okay.
Is that the bottom left? Start button?
No. Yep. No, you don't need to find the start button. You just look at that on your screen, in front of your screen. You can see the Internet Explorer.
Do I
The icon's name.
do I need to do I need to turn the computer on?
Yep.
Okay, I'll turn the computer on.
Okay. And just so just turn on your computer. Is your computer turned on now?
It's just warming up.
Oh, it's loading, right?
Yeah,
It's turning on.
I
turning on.
had a massage and I'm slipping in my shorts, like I'm all
Okay, it's on now.
So, do you use do you play online games? Anyone there to play online games?
Do I push the start button?
No. You don't need to find a start button. You just pull up your Internet Explorer page. Okay.
And do I
Open.
start button?
No need to find a start button. We just open your Internet Explorer page.
Do I do that by the start button? So I push the start button?
I'm telling you that, just listen to me, try to understand my point. That just open your Internet Explorer page.
So what was that?
It is on your desktop icon. Can you see that? The icon's name, it says Internet Explorer.
Is that by the start button?
You see?
How do I do it by the start button?